Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kalpana Singh and I am making videos related to cabin crew and all about cabin crew. So without wasting time, let's come to the video. Today's video is regarding for the cabin crew interviews, how to go for cabin crew interviews. So without wasting time, let's come to the video. So I will share one and every points one by one. So like those who are going for the first time, they must watch this video. They will get a lot of help through that, and also the doubts which we have, that will also clear. So if you have any doubt after this also, you can text me in the comment section. I will give you answer. So let's come to the point. So the first thing which we have to take care whenever we go for interview, that is our interview attire, the clothes which we are going to wear for the interview. So like the clothes which you are wearing, that should be comfortable, not much tight, not much like loose, so that like if you will wear a comfortable clothes, so you will walk, sit, that will look good. So you don't have to take much care about your clothes, that how I'm looking, like it is tight from here, it is loose from here. Don't do this thing, because that will then you are not able to focus on the interview question. You are not able to focus on the things the interviewer asking. So it's better that 2 or 3 days prior you just wear that clothes, try to find yourself like you're looking good or not, so that because it is very important, that will create your first impression. So they will ask you question, that is second thing. First thing is that they will see you, how you are looking, how you are presentable or not. So like that is also very important. You have to have a positive impact on the interviewer. When you will you have to create a positive impression in front of interviewer. That is thing that is very important. And like as per the requirement of the airline company, most of the company they say like we have to wear a knee-length skirt, a white color half sleeve shirt. So like I will tell you that you can not necessary that you have to only wear white shirt. You can also wear different light color shirt like denim blue, light blue and light pink. This kind of color will be okay, but I will suggest you please do not wear dark color shirt like dark red, dark black, dark blue. So like dark color is not much formal. If you will wear light color, that will look more good and more formal compared to dark colors. People wear like it's your choice, like, but I am suggesting you that if you will wear light color shirt, so that will look more good. And if I talk about skirt, so your skirt should be knee length, and also it should be in dark color, in black color, dark blue color, this kind of color, because that will look good. Your skirt should be in dark color, that will look good. And now earlier Indigo were saying that we have to wear a black color stocking, but now they are saying we have to wear skin color stockings. So I will also suggest you that you should wear skin color stockings, because if you will wear dark color stockings, so they have to check our legs, that do we have any spot, any scars. So it's better that they will ask you to remove the stockings. Better that if you will wear skin color stockings, so that will more good. That will also like they don't have to do much trouble, and also you do not have to do much trouble. They can directly check your legs more good. And the belly you are wearing, that should be rounded, not conical, because the conical is not professional. If you are wearing rounded, and it should not be very high heel, it should be a normal, a block heel will be good, best choice if you will wear. So if you don't have, then you can also wear that if you are comfortable. And if you are not habitual to wear heel, try to wear heels one or two, try to walk and try to walk in a few days, like few minutes, so that will help you in becoming habitual of wearing that. Maybe if you are not habitual, and if you are wearing heel for the first time, maybe you will fall, so that will not be good. It's better just take care of all the things prior, before the interview. Whatever mistakes you have to do before the interview, and at the time of interview you don't have to do any mistake. You have to give your 100%. And I don't want you that you should get rejected for this reason, not at all. So the second thing is your hairs. So it is written that, it is mandatory written that, like if you have hairs smaller than shoulders, then you can open, or you can make a pony. And if your hair is more longer than that, so you should make a bun. So your bun should be neat and clean. It's no matter if the hair are coming from this. You can also try different styles from YouTube and just make your good hairstyle that should be look good and presentable and formal. Okay, that is also good. And the third thing is that the accessories which we are going to wear in interview. So for earrings, we have to wear a pearl stud earring. That is only allowed, and that will only good. I'm not saying that you should wear a very glossy, or please avoid that kind of thing, because that is not formal and that not look good. So it's better that if you are wearing a pearl stud, that is more good, very good. And if you have habit of wearing rings in your fingers, so only like you can wear a band or any kind of things, but I will avoid, like if you are wearing, please remove it, because no matter that, like it's better if you will remove that ring for 1 or 2 minutes. All right, like till interview, just remove that thing from your hand. You can wear a watch, that is mandatory. If you will wear watch, that will look very professional, and it show that you are punctual about time. You are taking good care of time, so that is also good. And like if you are thinking to wear blazer, so you can also wear wear a blazer in, like the blazer should be in color of your skirt. If you are wearing black skirt, so you have to wear black black shirt, and if you are wearing blue skirt, so you have to wear blue blazer. So just like do this all things, do some research on Google, and also I'm telling you, if you have any doubt, you can text me. Your makeup should be normal, not much very glossy. Don't wear a very different color, different shades of lipstick. You can wear red lipstick or any nude color, brown, and whatever which suits on your face. Just try to take care of that thing. And as mandatory, and also it's written that we have to come without makeup, so I will suggest you just do little bit makeup, because if you will go without makeup, it's seen that you just come after sleeping. So it's better that do little bit makeup, and you should look presentable, you should look good. And because if you will look good, you will get that confidence from inside. You will feel, yes, I am looking good, so today I am confident. It's very necessary for you that you should look confident. See yourself in mirror, try to find that where you are lacking, what are the things which is not good. Try to make yourself that. And the last and final thing, that is the bag which you are carrying. The bag should be like matte finish, not be very glossy, not many stones and all things are added on your bag. It should look formal, it should be in brown, black or any nude color. If you are taking nude color, then fine, not like just a very formal. Black color is more preferable if you have, and if you do not have, please do not go without that. If you are like carrying if something, then put it outside the interview room or put it with your friend and just go for interview, and after that, like that is all right. All the best everyone, for those who are going for interview, and I am also going for interview. Wish me luck. I really need your support and your help. Thank you so much guys, thank you so much.